When I'm doing tires on the Scrambler, I've got it up on the track stands. Sometimes that can make it a little bit tricky to get the rear wheel aligned perfectly so I can get that axle through without a problem. You've got to worry about the different spacers, you've got to make sure your chain's on, you've got to get the rear brake aligned properly. Now, everybody's got their own way of doing this. Some people stack up wood. I saw a guy online try to use a skateboard to pry it back up into place, but I found something that makes it easier for me. Now, I'm sure I'm not the first person to think about this, but this is an inflatable shim. Carpenters use this to do things like align cabinetry or doors or windows. Basically, it goes from thin to about 2 inches thick. You blow it up using this little pump, and you can release it with this little release valve. This thing costs about 15 bucks. Helps me get the rear wheel on. So you might be able to find one of these locally. I got this one at my neighborhood Ace hardware store for 15 bucks. Alternately, you can go online, just search for inflatable shim. There's a bunch of options out there. If you guys have any tips and tricks for putting on a rear wheel, let me know in the comments. See you guys.